Let us now learn about the common salts in detail. What is common salt? Common salt is the basic raw material for making many chemicals. Let us discuss about the preparation of the chemicals from common salt with their properties and uses. The chemicals are caustic soda, that is, sodium hydroxide; washing soda, that is, sodium carbonate; baking soda, that is, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Before that, first let us discuss about what common salt is. Common salt. Common salt is white powder, which is regularly used in cooking food. Common salt is also known as just salt. Chemical name for common salt is sodium chloride, that is, NaCl. Common salt is a neutral salt. Sodium chloride can be prepared in laboratory by the combination of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. This process is called neutralization. The chemical equation is NaOH plus HCl. On neutralization, it gives NaCl plus H2O. Please note that, on evaporating sodium chloride solution, we get solid sodium chloride. Now let us move to sources of salt. Common salt occurs naturally in two sources: seawater, dissolved state; underground deposits, rock salt, solid state. Extraction of common salt from seawater. Seawater contains many dissolved salts in it. The major salt present in seawater is common salt, that is, sodium chloride. Common salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. Extraction of common salt from underground deposits, rock salt. Rock salt is mined from the underground deposits just like coal. The large crystals of common salt found in underground deposits are called rock salt. Rock salt is usually brown in color due to the presence of impurities in it. Let us discuss important uses of common salt in our daily life. Common salt, that is, NaCl, is used in cooking food, which improves the flavor in food. Common salt is required by our body for the working of nervous system, the movement of muscles, and help in the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach for the digestion of food. Common salt is used as a raw material for making a large number of useful chemicals in industries like sodium hydroxide, that is, caustic soda; sodium carbonate, that is, washing soda; sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is, baking soda; hydrochloric acid, chlorine, hydrogen, sodium metal. Common salt is used to melt ice which collects during winter in cold countries. Common salt is used in the manufacture of soap. Let us first discuss in detail about each chemical of common salt in detail. First, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is commonly known as caustic soda. Chemical formula for sodium hydroxide is NaOH. NaOH is a very important basic chemical, which is used as a starting material for making of many other chemicals in many industries. Let's see the preparation of sodium hydroxide. The raw material required for producing sodium hydroxide is sodium chloride, or common salt. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, called brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. The process is called as the chloralkali process, because of the products formed are chlor for chlorine, alkali for sodium hydroxide. The chemical equation is 2NaCl plus 2H2O. On electrolysis, it gives 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. During electrolysis, chlorine gas is produced at the anode, that is, positive electrode; hydrogen gas is produced at the cathode, that is, negative electrode, and sodium hydroxide solution is formed. The products formed by the electrolysis of sodium chloride solution are chlorine, hydrogen and sodium hydroxide. These three products have a very large number of uses. Note that, deliquescent salts are salts that have a hygroscopic property, which means they pull moisture from the air or their surrounding environment. For examples, calcium chloride, potassium carbonate and sodium hydroxide. Now let us discuss about the products formed in chloralkali process and its uses.